So Swinship.ph, we particularly design, develop, and produce technology-enabled learning programs. We are a social enterprise, and our mission is to bridge the digital divide and address educational equity in the Philippines.
Mm.
So, true to our mission of serving underserved areas in the country, we are proudly based dito nga po sa Isulan Sultan Kudarat.
Hmm.
Actually, the idea po talaga started doon, no?
Mm.
Yun yung original talaga na idea, having seen that the learning opportunities are mostly concentrated in big cities such
Hmm.
as Metro Manila,
Mm.
no? And at most, yung mga learning opportunities na usually offered in the provinces is yung mga traditional tutorial centers. So
Hmm.
if you visit Manila, of course, andyan yung big universities, mga museums, mga state of the art na mga like yung si Mind Museum, 'di ba? Oo,
Sa BGC.
sa BGC. So, it would have been nice if the students also in the provinces would also
Ah.
experience yung mga gano'n. So, yung original po talaga na design and yung purpose is to bridge kung ano man yung na-experience ng mga counterparts ng students in the big cities and even abroad dito sa provinces.